I swear they never liked me this much. This is my least social coop, and they're like, "Hey, Mom, what's up?" I really don't know what's going on. They have food and water. Always follow me everywhere. He's consistent. And Mrs. Butterworth is pretty consistent with her moves. They follow me, they like me, all the time. Look, Lavender and Butterscotch are coming. I feel popular today. They hear me, so they come out. Hi, babies. Hi, babies. Sandy in her own coop. Found her food finally, I see. Gotta water these guys. It's that time of year where the water freezes 3 times a day. This Buttersworth, like, you giving them treats, me too?